finding your three mobile number is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can find the phone number of your three mobiles. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google and I'm going to search for three mobile, and I'll go to this website, which is 3.co.uk. Now here I'll simply search for find my number. Now here there are different type of articles or different type of things that are written here. You can try looking here if you are able to find the right problem for your phone number, and you might be able to find the right solution. But if you cannot do that, you have to go back to your home page, and here you have to scroll down till the bottom part, and in the bottom part you simply have to go click on this contact us. Now in the contact us you simply have to scroll down until you see this number. As you guys can see, this is their customer support service. You just need to call them and verify your identity with your ID card and stuff, and they will tell you what phone numbers are registered, and they will probably tell you your phone number as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.